want to be hypnotized.
Fully focusing on that gap. There's 2 magnets on the tips of those fingers. Those magnets start pulling those fingers closer and closer and closer together. The more you stare at those fingers, they get closer and closer and closer. Now those magnets getting even stronger as they get closer and closer and closer and closer until they eventually want to touch. And now they get so close to touch. Perfect.
What the fuck?
Fingers closer and closer and closer together. Now the more you focus, they get closer and closer and closer. They get so close now as they get closer and closer. They eventually want to touch. Now. Perfect. Okay, you can put your hands down now. So, did you feel like you had to think about moving your fingers, or did it just kind of naturally happen?
It just happened.
Closer and closer and closer together.
Nah.
Pulling those fingers closer and closer and closer together. The more you stare at those fingers, they get closer and closer and closer. The more focused you become, the more close they become. They get closer and closer and closer. The stronger the magnets become now as they get closer and closer and closer. The more you focus, they get even closer now.
What the fuck?
Start pulling those fingers closer and closer and closer together now. And the more you focus on that gap, they get closer and closer and closer. As those magnets get twice as strong now, they grow closer and closer and closer. The more focused you become, they get closer and even closer. Those magnets becoming 3 times as strong now, they get closer and closer and closer. And the closer they get, the more focused you become. The more focused you become, they get closer and closer and closer. Those magnets so strong now, they just really want to touch as they get closer and closer and closer. Getting so close now, so close as they get closer and closer. More focused, closer and closer and closer. Your fingers really wanting to touch now as they get closer and closer and closer. Perfect. That's absolutely fine. You can drop your hands to your side now.
Oh my God.
So, let me ask you a question. Did it feel like you had to think about your fingers moving, or did it just kind of happen on its own?
I don't know. I was thinking about, like, can I pull them apart? And I was trying to, like, stop it, but it just